Alright, so you want to win a burnout competition. So there's a few things you're going to need to know, so a few tricks, a few tips, and you're going to need a few things. You obviously can't win a burnout competition with a, well, I'm not saying you can't, with a single wheel rear-wheel drive car. So let's go through this. Alright, for the first thing you need is some kind of car. Doesn't matter if it's a V8, doesn't matter if it's a V6, it's got to be able to spin the tires. I chose this Cadillac 95 Caddy because it was rear-wheel drive and it has an LT1 in it, 350, and she will smoke the tires off. Insert video here. Alright, so you don't necessarily need a rear-wheel drive car, but you need a car that will spin both tires at the same time, meaning posi traction. This old Caddy wasn't posi traction, so I welded the rear differential in it. Other thing you're going to need is dual exhaust, or some kind of exhaust. Now, this is the mistake I had with mine. My tailpipes exit the bumper here. To win, I believe I had side pipes on it. I would have won this competition because you need the exhaust to blow the smoke from the tires all over the place, not hang on the ground and go up the hill like mine did. So posi track, dual exhaust, a ballsy enough car that'll spin the tires. Now I only got second place with this car. I did a few burnouts before that with it when it was one wheel peel. Another thing I added was a bleach sprayer, and all I used, and it fell down the back, was a dual washer pump reservoir. And you can see I've gutted the rear of this car to add the sprayers. A bleach sprayer, I've got it wired into, and now this is a dual pump washer fluid container, and what I've done is run a hose from each one of those down into here, and I fixed the rust holes here, and the sprayers exit the front of the tires here in a fan pattern. You want the pattern to spray out in a fan. Now I got one on both sides, obviously, and it controlled with a light switch at the front. Simple setup, and it's fused. You can see it is ran in there. This is an old junk car. It's not being driven on the road, so we're having a little fun with it. Now I chose to put wings on the back of mine, have a little fun with this car, get the crowd going a little bit more. It's a big improvement from the blue it was. I'm not saying that's going to help you win, but it's going to get you extra cheers, hopefully. And if no one really realized it, this is a little poke at the Hellcatty, get it? Now tires, I have one snow tire. They say snow tires burn off better because of the softer compound. I don't know if that's true. This one's seen 2 runs on this tire, and she's bald. I was attempting to pop it. They only give us 15 seconds to run. So now the other thing you want to consider is a way to shut your rear brakes off on your car, because you don't need your brake drums taking power away from your engine. So this one here, when I welded the rear diff, the rear axle line sprung a leak. I just never fixed it. It worked in my favor. They do put wheel chocks on the front, but to start it off you need to hold your brakes on. So that's the other thing, some way to cut the back brakes off. Now I'm not no means an expert at this, but some guys say when you get the RPMs up, you want to feather the gas pedal to bring the tire speed up and down. It's supposed to create more friction by adding traction to the tire, and it's supposed to rip off more rubber. I don't know how true this is, but if you're using dual exhaust in front of the tires to blow the smoke around, posi traction, rear wheel drive car works good. I'm not sure about the front wheel drive cars. I'm not saying you can't do it. Bleach sprayers, no rear brakes, that all helps. And that's the way we got a second. But yeah, so hope you guys, I meant to do this video a while ago, just haven't got around to it. Okay, so if you want to see more of these videos, please comment, rate, and subscribe. And remember, always share this video. Helps me out a lot. Right now I'm trying to rebuild my YouTube channel. For some reason it's not getting any views, but I only do this for the fun of it anyway. So, but I'm trying a new format. I'm trying to do 2 videos a week, but I just don't want to put up crap videos. This video here was on my mind for a while because when I looked up bleach sprayers or stuff, something like that, I couldn't find any info on it. So that's what I've done. It got me a second, I believe, of what had the exhaust exiting front of the tires or blowing on the tires to blow smoke out more. I probably would have won, but that's the way it goes. More videos to come. You guys let me know what kind of videos you want me to see. What you want to see. Do you want more monster trike videos? Do you want more Tankenstein videos? I still have the TerraJet, and I was trying to trade it off, but they didn't want it, so I'm going to keep it. I have the green Suzuki half track that has to be put together. Or do you guys want to see me work on cars? So I have a video of me working on the rear end of my car, Trans Am, 95 Trans Am. So anyway, please comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys after.